Hey guys, it's Sai. I know everybody's cringing right now about why I'm taking the AMG key because the wheels are completely gone, but the tires, but I haven't turned on the AMG in 2 weeks, so I figured I'm literally gonna drive like one block to Starbucks just to like run the engine for a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you guys something really funny that happened, which is why my sister may or may not get a Jeep anymore. Let's do it. I had to stop because somebody else got in the elevator and I'm deathly afraid of judgment holding a camera in my face. One time at the Ferrari Club of America meet in New York, somebody literally asked me, "Are you taking a video of yourself?" And I was like, yeah, because like, keep in mind, like, this person was an older person and they didn't know that there was such a thing as like vlogging. They were like, "Are you taking a video of yourself?" And I was like, yeah. This is where I parked the AMG, if you didn't know that from all my videos. Let's go. Okay, we haven't turned her on in 2 weeks. I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can actually see me. And that wasn't even with the exhaust on. Such a difference with the exhaust on. I'm actually surprised the car started after 2 weeks. We're probably gonna have to do this maybe 2 or 3 more times because we're waiting for the rims, like you guys know, which is gonna take somewhere from 4 to 6 weeks, so this will be our AMG videos. And as you guys may have guessed, the tires I got are for the new rims, which I told you guys are bigger, so I can't just put them on these rims until I actually get the new rims. So that's the limiting factor. This camera is just so amazing. Like, literally, you guys, when I get in cars without 360, once you get used to like this level of like quality 360, oh, that's the Ferrari, by the way. Parked her one level higher. But like, once you get used to this level of 360, you can't drive without it. Like, it's like crippling to try to even park your car without it because you're just so used to this much help from your car. You have to go through like 3 gates to get through this garage, which I really appreciate, you guys. Like, this building has such good security. Like, I really appreciate that about this building, because I feel really safe. Like, when I had Sammy and even with the Ferrari, like, I feel really confident and really safe parking them here. All right. Wow, the Tesla's really close to the curve. He's like practically curving his rims. Let's see the tire situation. Oh, I didn't turn the wheel enough. But it's still bad. This right here, you guys, is the Starbucks I go to every single day. I'm one of those people that dump sriracha sauce on everything. These are the egg white bites. They're so good. And this is the Starbucks Reserve location, so everything is like so fancy for a Starbucks. Had to cut that a little bit short because I gotta rush back because of the parking meter. I have to do a Costco run today too, but I thought I would probably swap the AMG for the Ferrari before we did that, because I don't want to push our luck too much with these tires. I keep saying wheels. She looks good from the back. Let's check the meter. Oh my god, it's flashing red. Nope, we didn't make it, but we didn't get a parking ticket, so that's good. This is the ferry building. And I actually took a little bit of a detour to show you guys the Embarcadero. So that's the Bay Bridge right there. actually, let's drive by it. So I'll turn left here and we'll drive by the water. So just so I can show you guys, even though that is not where I have to go. This is a video tour of San Francisco. I don't know if you guys could tell just from like that little bit of driving, just the roads here are so rough. It's like real bad. So this is the Bay Bridge, you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful, and there's just like water all through here. It's just like such a nice place to come walk, especially when it's like really warm and sunny. Today's actually a pretty sunny day, actually. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like every time I drive by here, I just feel so lucky to live here, like just like a minute away from this. It just blows my mind. It's so crazy. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm on Santana Row. It's super early. It's literally like, okay, it's not that early. It's 9 o'clock, but I've been here since like 7 a.m. because I'm working on something. I was working on a shoot for something really exciting for you guys, which is coming out Wednesday. So I was just here before everybody else was here, before this, like, all these cones and this tree cutting happened, so I could take some really cool pictures and videos. So you guys can watch out for that on the video coming out on Wednesday. It's so nice here. It's kind of funny because like this is like the hangout spot for literally everyone I know that lives in the South Bay, which I just think is funny that there's like nothing else to do here but like come to Santana Row. But you'll see a lot of like cars parked in front of Hotel Valencia on Santana Row, which is pretty cool because like, you know, we don't really have like the Rodeo Drive kind of thing here where you could like go like see cars, go shopping, but like this is it. I've also been spending a ton of time researching cars for my sister. She may or may not get the Jeep like I said before. That's a really funny story, which I'll probably actually just tell you guys a later time. But oh my god, I've been researching so many cars. Personally, I really like Honda Civics. Don't ask. Oh, tires are cold. The tires are so cold. So yeah, you guys, we're probably just gonna go look at some more car dealerships around here since there's like a ton on Stevens Creek. Maybe Mini. Personally, I don't like Minis, but I'm being forced to go look at Minis. I'm being held hostage and forced to go look at Minis. Oh my god, what if the signal turns green when the tub is going down? Oh no, it did! I said it and it happened! Okay, not gonna accelerate, but come on! That was bad timing! It's a good weekend! Okay, actually, I'm not gonna lie. I said weekend because I didn't want to sound like I procrastinate. But with this Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, you guys, I make my videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday because I'm just a chronic procrastinator. And I like watched this TED Talk where like this guy talks about like this instant gratification monkey in your head that makes some people just like a chronic procrastinator, and that's totally me. Like the instant gratification monkey in my head just like takes over on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and then like Monday, Wednesday, Friday I end up filming. So you guys, I'm super excited for the announcement on Wednesday. Check my Instagram, check YouTube. I can't wait to go see the footage we just shot, and I'll be posting on Wednesday with the big announcement. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So yeah, you guys, I will see you Wednesday with a big announcement. Until then, I'm just gonna wrap up this video, so please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications please by hitting the bell, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye guys.